Hey traders, how you doing? This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Thank you very much for watching our short video here. This is going to be the case study on our IBKR trade, episode number 11, I believe it is. All right, so this was just a 2-day hold. We bought some, let's see, there we go, get my drawing tools. We bought, let's use this one over here. IBKR on this candle right in here. So we pulled back right here to what we call the trend indicator, and you can see the trend indicator is nice and green and bullish. The T line, the 8 EMA, the black line is above it, so it's showing our trend is still bullish. So we picked this up. We had marked targets up here. Target 1 was basically these highs over here on the left. So about 66.75, the next target in this area up here, about that 67.55. There's actually a third target up here near 68.50. Now I closed this out today at our second target. I typically do that. Nothing new for me to do that. Once we start moving up and profits start coming in, I try to protect as much as I can. And I'm just, I'm a swing trader. That's what I do. So we've got this chart here. Let me draw it from this point. My lines, you can follow my lines. I went from the low to the high and down to this candle, this doji right in here. And that gave us our target areas. And then when we showed that bullish strength here on the 8th. This is the 8th of August here. When we closed there, and then we, it showed that we were going to close reasonably well for the day. That's when we bought it. And then yesterday, yesterday, we had a nice, it kind of looked like it was not going to work out so well, but by the end of the day, everything worked out just fine. Then we had a little gap up into that target. So to me, it accomplished exactly what I wanted it to do. Nice swing to the upside. It may move higher. It may do that, but my plan worked out exactly the way I wanted, and very typical for my trading. So up 1 day, 2 days, and now 3 days. We are getting in the area of a possible pullback, which it may climb a little higher before it does that. So anyway, I hope this makes a little bit of sense. I hope that if you have questions, please feel free to reach out and ask those questions. And a great place to ask those questions if you're interested is, and this is for those that have joined us in the past, our new time starts tomorrow on Wednesday, August 13th, and that's where we stream live pre-market at 7:30 a.m. East Coast time. You can find links in our social media to join us. And also for those watching the YouTube, I'll put it down in the description so you can get on YouTube as well. And you'll see us live there, okay? So if you have questions, please feel free to ask the questions. You can email me at rick@ricksadler.com. I'll certainly see what I can do. If it's too involved, what I'll end up doing is do a video. It's so much easier than try to hand type everything out. So good luck with trading, everybody. I should have a couple of good stocks we're in. They're working out really well. When they push up into where I think it's time to take profits, then what we'll do is do another episode or two on those stocks, and I hope it is helpful for you and your trading, okay? Thanks for watching our video. Absolutely appreciate it.